If you're feeling like your closet is disorganized or just not working for your everyday life, then this is for you. I'm sharing 10 easy, affordable ideas to help you get things under control. Whether you've got a walk-in wardrobe or a tiny corner closet, these tips are simple, smart, and they actually work. So let's dive in. First up is this Bag Smart Hanging Jewelry Organizer. It comes in 2 different colors, black and pink. This is the black one. It is double-sided with plenty of space to store jewelry. It's designed with 40 transparent pockets to hold your rings, earrings, bracelets, watches, hairpins, or other jewelry. There are 25 small grids, 12 medium grids, and 3 large grids. The other side can accommodate 48 necklaces, and the elastic straps keep them separated and untangled. There is a 360-degree rotating hanger, which means it can be rotated to any direction you like. It not only holds jewelry, but also works great for hair accessories, brooches, nail polishes, makeup, you name it. It's a great storage solution. It measures 84 centimeters by 44 centimeters, and it can easily be folded into a small pouch, which is great for travel. These handbag stands are great for displaying and holding up your handbags, and they are super easy to put together. The movable back piece fits into the stand at different levels, making it deeper as needed. Just simply clip them into place and move it along to the desired size. They can also be used to display mobile phones, frames, belt buckles, small plaques, and artworks. The purse display stand is designed to accommodate a wide variety of items while taking up minimal space, and they do work great. This is a multifunctional organizer that can hold scarves, ties, bags, hats, or jewelry. It has 8 hooks, each capable of holding up to 3 belts on each, which allows you to store up to 24 belts in one compact hanger. There is a top rotation feature which allows you to access and browse through your entire collection effortlessly. These decor fashion books are definitely one of my favorite storage ideas. They are not only gorgeous in design, but the perfect accessory to add a sense of style and class to your favorite space. They are also perfect for storing your jewelry, keys, or any other little bits and pieces you want to store away. I like to use them to keep my paperwork, nail files, and spare cables in. They look stunning on their own or grouped together as a stack. I absolutely love them as decor and as a storage solution. Who doesn't love a multi-purpose organizer? These are great for storing hats, gloves, scarves, handbags, or neckties. You can also use them for travel by keeping multiple accessories connected together, like caps, belts, or gold and silver jewelry. It has a 360-degree rotation for easy accessibility and an open and close lever to secure items in place. You can buy them individually or in a pair. These small boxes are great for bringing order to your chaos by helping you sort socks, scarves, and accessories. Use one or multiple in each drawer for maximum organization depending on your needs. You can use them in the bathroom or linen closet too. You get 6 in a pack for $9, which I think is super great value for money. All you need to do to assemble is to zip the bottom together. When you don't need the box and want to save space, simply open the zipper in the bottom and fold it flat. They come in white or dark grey colour. Next, we have this pull-out hanger that helps you organise your belt, scarves, ties, and other accessories. I like to use it to hang necklaces and bag charms. You can easily see and reach all your accessories as the multi-use hanger pulls out, showcasing all 8 hooks. It's a great way to make use of unused space on the inside of your wardrobe too. You can also use them to hang out your outfits the night before, so you don't need to worry in the morning. It is available in white or dark grey colour, and you don't have to have the IKEA Prax wardrobes to be able to use these either. These jewellery organisers are another alternative for storing all your jewellery, such as earrings, rings, bracelets, necklaces, watches and brooches. You can insert them into the drawers for easy access, ensuring you can find and see all your jewellery. The velvet jewellery inserts has an inner compartment and the dividers are removable. You can adjust them according to your storage needs to get more suitable storage space so that each ring can be inserted and there's enough space for jewellery knickknacks. I have put them on top of my IKEA jewellery trays to give extra storage compartments for my earrings, bracelets and rings, which is super handy. You can also stack all 6 pieces together and store them on your desk, wardrobe and dresser. Not only can you get more storage space, but also keep your desk clean and save more space. Next up are these dust bags, which I love. They come with 20 pieces in 3 different sizes, small, medium and large, so you can choose the one that fits your bag. They also come with 25 S-shaped hooks if you prefer to hang your bags. The clear front allows you to display your handbags while still being protected, which is a great feature. They are made of breathable material and are waterproof for extra protection. They also fit on the bag stands that I showed you earlier in the video. I absolutely love these. These are a great multi-purpose hook that can be used for a lot of different things. They are especially useful to hang up your jeans in a neat and organised way. Just fold your jeans in half and attach the hooks through the belt loops, then just hang them in your closet. You can now see what jeans you have and can access them a lot easier. They can also be used to hang your handbags too. You can get them in all different sizes as well. I have the smaller ones which work great, but you might want to get bigger ones if you are hanging larger items on them. I hope these closet organisation ideas gave you a few helpful takeaways to make your space feel a little more calm and functional. All links to the items mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. If you do try any of them, please let me know in the comments because I'd love to hear what works for you. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and check out this video for more simple and helpful tips. Thanks for watching. Take care.